So there you have the baseline, no? And then it's divided into two by a horizontal line, identifying that everything that should be written on the left side belongs to the subject of the sentence, and on the right side will be part of the predicate. Okay. Okay, so that is a very basic sentence. One subject, one predicate. But we do not want sentences like this coming from them. From this basic sentence, we can improve the sentence by adding yung tinatawag na natin, ma'am, ng adjectives, adverbs, and other parts of speeches to make the sentence more colorful. Supposing, again, you incite the pupils to think, anong tingin mo dun sa nakita mong rainbow? Madilim ba? Maliwanag? Oh yeah, you have mentioned about the word bright. How are we going to add the word bright in our sentence?
Rainbow appears bright.
Bright rainbow appears. Okay, bright rainbow appears. Now, after adding that, ask what is the use of the word bright in the sentence. We know it's an adjective, but an adjective does what? Ganun yun. No? Then they will learn, adjective, nagmo-modify ng noun. It modifies, it tells how does the rainbow looks like, right? So it's an adjective. And how are we going to show it in the diagram? To identify that the word bright is an adjective modifying the subject bright. Okay? Yes? Who knows how to do it sa diagram? Sana natapos na kayo mag-brilliant and do it. By looking at the diagram alone, ma-identify mo na each word in a sentence. Ano ang gamit ng bawat word na ginamit mo sa sentence mo. It's not enough that you will say, Mother gave me money. Okay, it's common sense na naiintindihan mo. But, alam mo bang gamit ng mother? Alam mo bang gamit ng gave? Then, papasok na naman yung tense ng verb kasi gave it. No? So, it's an integrated, it's an approach in all your correct usages shall be involved in this diagramming exercises, which is very difficult. Okay, to save you the efforts and the pain of finding out where to place yung adjective, any adjective shall be placed below the word it modifies. So what does the word bright modify? It modifies rainbow. So it should be written with a line below rainbow. Gaano kadalas ka nakakakita ng rainbow? You see, from the basic sentence, rainbow appears. You are not trying to make them think. Gaano ka makadalas nakakakita ng rainbow? Any term? Any word? Every time ka ba nakakakita? Sometimes? Okay, sometimes. Or, anong better word for them? For sometimes? You can suggest siguro. Ano ibig sabihin ng often? Often. O kaya frequent